Hello everyone, in front of me is Infinix HOT 40 Pro, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First of all, open your phone together. And now let's enter the first code. It is *##, #225, ###. And here we've got calendar info, where you can see all upcoming events, and these are all events that are stored in every calendars that you have. So this is it, you will not forget about any of them. It's a very useful code. Now another one that you can use is *##, 426, ***. And here we've got FCM diagnostic panel. Now you can smoothly, by tapping on events, see status also. So these are two panels that you can reach by entering this code. But you can get a bit more knowledge than displayed right now just by tapping on more icon and clicking on advanced view. And here you've got more info. Then you can close it the same way. Thank you for watching. Oh, actually not. We have one more code. Sorry for that. A very useful one, the shortest. It is *##06#. And this one will provide you with your device details. So whenever you want to check email number or serial number, here they are. Just enter this code and you don't have to look for the device's email number through the settings or on your box. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.